Welcome back again. In this video, the day 2 coding challenge, let's discuss about the day 2 coding challenge which we need to print hello world. Okay, in this exercise your task is to write a simple Python program that displays the greeting hello world on the console. I am using here an online editor. You can also use an online editor, Python editor, or you can install a Jupyter notebook and you can run your Python code or any Python IDE which you prefer. Okay, so coming to the instructions here, use the printf function to display the messages on the console, and inside the printf function write the string hello world. Ensure that there are no leading or trailing spaces in your output. So first let me try. I am going to print hello world. Okay, let's see the output. Here I'm not following the instructions clearly because I want you to get a clarity on this. So I'm running this tests. So if you are preparing for any competitive coding challenges, you have to follow the set of instructions that are given in the coding challenge. In that case, if you follow everything, your test cases will be passed almost everything. So in this case, my test case was failed because I am giving a small letter of H instead of giving the capital H. So please follow the instructions here. So inside the print function, write the string hello world. Now I'm going to change capital H. So I'll run the code, but if I'm giving the small h, you can see the error here, the test case error here, hello world. Instead of giving this hello world, have given this. So you must print hello world. This you have to print. So now I will run the test cases. We'll see the output. Okay. So why it is not coming? So let me give a clarity. So here hello world, you have to give one more capital W. So now if you run the test cases, you will get succeed message. So your code passed this test. Okay, this is how you have to follow the instructions from now onwards to each and every code that I am going to explain. So I will give you one more option, like I'm going to give, instead of putting printf, I just given capital P. Okay, so now I'm going to run the test cases. Let's see what the output will come. So the print is not defined, the name print is not defined. So now you got an idea, right? So for what kind of errors we can solve accordingly. So now if you, so we know that this code is right. So now if you run the test cases, it will get succeed, and after that you have to run your code. We'll see the output. So now you have got a desired output called hello world. Okay, this is how you have to run your codes according to the instructions that they have given in the coding challenge. Okay, hope you got an idea on how to pass with the test cases for a simple code. Let's get into more videos to understand and get an idea with the practice. Please subscribe for more videos.